Hi guys, I'm Sana and welcome back to the Sublime YouTube channel. As you know by the title of this video, today we are going to be talking about the universal frizzy hair problem. Now before we get into it, let's understand what causes this frizz. Now hair frizz is usually caused by lack of moisture in your hair, but that dryness here is not always the culprit. Heat damage, weather conditions or even product buildup can all make your hair frizzy. And if you're trying to tame those frizzes, we've got 5 hair hacks covered for you in this video. So let's get into it. The first and the most obvious hack is to wash your hair less frequently. Now how often you wash your hair is as important as the product you use. If you're shampooing your hair too frequently, you're making your hair cuticles to dry out, and this can make them prone to more frizziness and damage. You need to shampoo only 2 or 3 times in a week, even if you work out or have an active lifestyle. Now great alternative to this is to use a dry shampoo, and we recommend the Flossum dry shampoo here. Now this dry shampoo soaks up all the excess oil, odor and sweat to give you hair that looks, smells and feels fresh. To use, shake the bottle well, section your dry hair and spray on the roots in a sweeping motion, holding it 10 to 15 centimeters away while spraying it. Wait for a few seconds and gently massage with your fingertips or brush. Our second hack is to use a leave-in conditioner. Now using a leave-in conditioner might feel redundant when you've just used a conditioner in the shower, but sprinkling one on your hair may help in lock in the extra moisture to prevent the frizz while it dries out. The more moisturized and hydrated your hair is, the less likely is it to cause frizz. Now for leave-in conditioner, we recommend the True Frog leave-in conditioner. This offers heat protection and protection against pollution to nourish your hair and prevent frizz for up to 48 hours. Now hack number 3 is to not skip your regular trims. Did you know that split ends can travel up your hair shaft and can cause more damage than frizz? In order to nip this damage, you need to cut your dry and dead ends quite frequently. Regular trims are very important to keep your hair away from splitting and fraying. Now how often you should trim them depends upon how you treat your hair. Frequent trims are very important if your hair is more susceptible to damage and when you're doing activities like heat styling, blow drying or color treating, swimming and so on. But for most people, once in 3 months is a good spot. Now the fourth hack is something you all must have heard about and we too had to mention it. That's to use less heat styling products. Now if you're noticing more frizziness than usual, it's because you must be dealing with damaged hair caused due to heat styling. Try using less heat on your hair, and if needed then only use hot tools on your hair. Go for air drying instead of blow drying your hair, and if it's really necessary then use a heat protectant while styling, such as the plum hair serum. Now this one is especially made for dry and frizzy hair. This emollient vitamin rich yet lightweight serum comes packed with the goodness of avocado, argan and jojoba oil to keep those stresses happy, hydrated and frizz free. The last, most important and most skipped step is hair mask. Now throughout the video you must have understood that hydration is key for frizzy hair. That's why using a thoroughly moisturizing and hydrating hair mask is very important. You can use a hair mask just once a week like how you use a face mask. This is definitely going to help you in the long run by restoring all the damaged hair. And if you follow all the steps mentioned in this video, you're on the pathway to having frizz-free hair. Not to forget our top recommendation for hair mask, which is the Flossum Kinky Berries hair mask. Now this one is a super strengthening and moisturizing hair mask with berry extracts and argan oil. It gets even better with addition of shea butter and provitamin B5 that seals in moisture for a smooth, shiny and manageable hair. I hope this video helps, and if you have any further questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments. Also please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.